Brother. Buy you. What you want to be at? One city. Hey, 2 cities. Man, it's dope. See the way I'm chewing a thing, that's dope. And it's hot as well. Hello brothers, sisters, yeah, do it is a boy Cookie with Sindaco. I'm back again. But before you start, if this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, notification bell, so be notified when new video drops. Yeah, so I'm in Sinyani, I'm still in Sinyani, and over here is a joint where they roast yam and what do you call it, ripe plantain. Yeah, in Ghana, especially in the afternoon, there's this food that they sell on the street that very delicious and yummy. Yeah, let's do this. Brother. Buy you. What you want to be at? One city. Hey, 2 cities. Check. I have fresh eye. Yes. Hey, 2. Hey, for a bit of 2. 2. Hey, 2. Hey, 2 city. Yeah. Yeah, so this is our Kobe over here. Yeah, salted fish. Yeah. Atujenimu. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Brother. One city. What is saying? Yeah, so this is yam and it goes with Kobe, yeah. So roasted Kobe, salted fish, and roasted yam. We have roasted plantain as well, and that goes with granite. Interesting. Yeah. So when we get to Ghana in the afternoon, we have this. So this is my stuff, yeah, and over here, you see this roasted yam. So this is our roasted yam, yeah, and as you know, testing officer wanted to test this to see the outcome of it, yeah. So there's 2 CDs. What mean I say 1 CD? So total of 3 CDs, and yeah, you see, yam. Then it's dope. See the way I'm chewing a thing, that's dope, and it's hot as well. Yeah, so this Amnes joint, yeah, in Sinyani. Yeah, so take a bit. Then we mix it up. Oh, yeah. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook as well. People Sindaco. Roasted yam with, what do you call it? Salted fish. Yeah. Let's meet again for Shazam and Nizzle. I'm out. Yeah.